Hey, wanted to do a video in response to a comment I got on an older video where I used enharmonic noise in sound design. They wanted to know how I made the enharmonic noise. So I'm going to show you really quickly using built-in reverb and whatever sample you want in Ableton. It'll take you like 5 seconds. Okay, so we're here in Ableton and I'm just gonna drag in a clap sample. There we go. And now we're gonna add in some built-in reverb. This is Ableton's reverb. I'm gonna turn the dry wet all the way up, turn the chorus off, spin, high cut, turning up the size and decay, turning down the pre-delay, turn the density up. These are all just like personal choices. The most important thing is that it has this freeze function. So if your reverb doesn't have the freeze function, it makes this harder to do, but that's what we're going to use to get that full length noise sample. So I'm going to add a track, set it to resample, record enable, and then we're going to record this. We're going to hit freeze once I get the sound that I want, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, cool. So I got what I want. I'm going to trim this up to like 4 bars at 120. All right. And this is what we got. I'm going to consolidate this and then I'm going to go into the clip and I'm just going to double click on the gain once it's consolidated so that I get like a normalized file. So let's try some Foley. Let's try if I do like trash. Yeah, that's cool. All right, I'm going to delete this clap sample. I liked that right there. Okay, we're going to turn the reverb back on and we're going to move this over here and try this again. Cool. And then I'm going to trim this up, consolidate, Control J, go in, double click the gain. And now we have 2 full-length samples. The important thing here is to experiment with textures. So try different reverbs, try different samples, and just play around with it. Anyways, that's it for today. If you liked the video, please consider supporting the channel by hitting the thumbs up, subscribing, leaving a comment. Let me know if you have any requests for videos in the future, and have a good one. I will see you next time.
Bye, have a great time.